This is Scott the Fix Guy with a refrigerator repair for a refrigerator with the freezer on the top. And we're noticing that water is dripping down from the freezer down into the fresh food section. So we're going to be repairing that. So we're going to be taking this tray and moving it to the left so that the little feet can come out on the right. And we're going to lift this tray out of the way. Got the machine unplugged. And we're going to be removing a couple of 1/4 inch screws, one on the right, one on the left, so that we can get this back plate removed, which is covering up the evaporator. So we're going to pull it toward us, and then we're going to reach in, and there's a modular jack there on the left. We're going to pinch in to let go, and that'll let the wires go, and we can take this whole plate out and have good access to the evaporator. Sometimes what happens is ice builds up in the little tray that's designed to carry out the defrosted water. So this is a plate going underneath to catch any water that might drip. And we're just going to try to melt that ice so that that water can easily flow out when the defrost system kicks in, and it won't back up and drip down into the fresh food section. So I got some boiling hot water. I got my turkey baster. I'm going to get some water, and I'm going to pour that hot water right into this drip tray, this metal drip tray underneath the evaporator. And I'll keep doing that until all the ice is melted, and in the center of that drip tray is a hole that brings water down to the evaporator pan at the bottom of the refrigerator. And it's just blocked with ice right now, so we just got to melt it by using this boiling hot water. So we're going to keep doing that until we hear the water flow down that tube. And be patient, this may take a while to get enough boiling hot water to melt the ice plug that's inside that tube. But once you do it, you'll hear the water flow, and that's going to solve the problem. Sometimes I'll also take a little piece of copper wire and I'll bend it over the heating element and bring it down into that drain hole so that during the defrost cycle, some of that nice heat can get pushed down into that hole to keep that hole open so it doesn't ice up. I think in this case the customer had their ice settings up a little bit too high too, or they had their freezer setting up too high. It should be right in the middle of the dial, and theirs was like way over to the right. So I'm going to put the panel back in, and then once I get it into position, I can hook that modular connector back up. Just making sure this ducting is clear, there's no ice caught in there. Looks good. So I'll hook up my electrical modular connector there in the back. That's going to bring power to the fan that blows the cold air. And I'll put the panel back, and we are done. Hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.